Alright, you guys, so jumping right into this video. So we have this crochet hair. It's a little different. The texture is loose wave and it is in 20 inches, but it's different because it has like this, the red in between it for easier install. Now, I've worked with this hair before and it is easy to install, but it was a little struggle to remove. See, it has this thread in between the actual bundle of hair. So this is one piece here. You see it has that thread in between. And I was also sent this accessory kit here. I'm going to go ahead and get this latch hook out. So today we're going to try something a little different. I was sent 3 packs, and in each pack comes with 2 separate bundles like this. I'm going to leave the link down below to the previous style that I used this type of hair with. I did a half up, half down, so I braided the top and then crocheted in the back. I'll leave that down below. So like I was saying, to make this install a little less challenging, I did my cornrows larger this time. Last time I also was adding hair in between my parts. I'm not going to do that this time. I'm only going to be adding the hair onto my braids all the way down. So this is my plan, is to push my latch hook going up, grab the hair by the thread, and pull one side through. Okay, so now you can see one side is over here, one side is over here. Last time I did it the regular crochet way. I pushed it up, grabbed both sides, and pulled it down. I had a little struggle removing it that way. I'm not going through that this time. Just tie this into like a regular knot like that. It's not going anywhere. It's not pulling back through my braid. Tie it. And you see how it's laying pretty flat? Yeah, see the hair? It comes like this and it's like twisted around each other. So I have to untwist it and then I can separate everything. So I like to just pull everything apart first. So I go to tie it, and a tip is to make sure the thread is right there for the knot. Boom. Latch hook through. Grab the hair by the thread, pull one side through, take the hair, tie it once, and there. Okay, I guess this is a trust the process moment, you know. That's the middle part. She's parting the Red Sea, but we're going to trust the process and keep it moving. Okay, so I'm finishing up the first bundle out of the first pack of hair. Okay, that's quite a bit. This is one bundle out of the first pack, and then I still have this second bundle out of the first pack. I don't want to confuse you. It's 2 bundles in 1 pack. So we're ready to start on the second bundle. Curls is cute. Ooh. And then it looks like this here. Okay, so another thing I want to mention is that yes, this is 100% human hair, and it is so soft. So soft, like it feels so good, and it's so flat. I think this entire cornrow, I'm going to try to do it the regular crochet method just so I can see which one is easier to remove. Experiment, because this hair is too good to be a flop. Like, I understand that companies want to promote this hair for crochet, but it is so perfect to do it as boho braids. I know it's promoted as crochet, but baby, give me the boho braids where the hair is already sectioned out, it's separated, and it's like I'm adding in 2 pieces at one time. Like, that's brilliant. See how that's kind of sticking up? See, I'm struggling too much doing it like that. I'm going back to the regular way. Experiment over. Easier. The hair looks so good though. Do I want a side part? I think I might do a side part. I was thinking about a middle part, but it just looked really good. And then I could put some layers right here in the front. I'm trying to debate on my part because I know I'm going to tease some hair, but it depends if I want a middle part or side part. I'm not doing both. I'm trying to show you how to do the back, but actually I can't see. I have to look at my mirror. See, I'm doing it the same way. Pulling it through, that's not the problem. But to tie the knot and make sure that the knot is only on the string and not the hair is what I need to see. That way I can make sure it's flat. Yeah, I gotta see, baby. Let's go from side to side on these O's. Okay, this is one pack. A lot of hair. The part showing is actually not bad. Cute. Look like I got some braids. Okay, y'all, so this is 1.5 packs. It's so much hair. It looked good. Like, yes, I'm gonna have to finesse the part, but the actual hair, it's giving. It's so full. Two packs, and it is this thick. The question now is, do I want it as a side part? Side part look really good. Do I want it as a middle part? That look really good too. Middle part cute, but I think I'm going to do the side part. Like, the texture of this hair is so nice. Look at this. Again, this is loose, deep textured hair. Now, this is what the part look like. Not my cup of tea. And maybe your cup of tea if you just like, you know, it is what it is. So, what I'm thinking is to like tease the part. So we're just gonna do this. Oh, is that working or no? Try a brush. A little better. It's still giving crochet, but it's better. It doesn't look like this. Yeah. This is it. I was going to cut some layers in it, but I actually like how it's just coming over and staying like that. This is the finished look. Here is a side part. I love the texture of this hair. Ponytail, let's try that real quick. Like, see here, it could be a really, really thick ponytail. Like, if you're worried about your edges and stuff, put on a headband, baby. Put on a cute little scarf. Yeah, okay. That's all for now. Stay tuned to see the removal. All right, y'all, so let's see how it is to remove this hair. I just put in this bonnet. These are my bonnets. They're on my website for $1. So go get you one, because baby, they gotta go. So let's comb through it right quick. Yeah, I'm sure you could straighten this hair, wash it, and it probably have like a different texture, like a more curly texture. And you see I'm over here pulling on it, and it's very secure. No hair has fallen out. Moment of truth. So I guess I have to just undo my braids. Those are just the ends. The ends is not the problem. Let's see about when I get to the root. Okay, see here, it's like, it's still a pain, because why do I have to do all this to take this out? And then it's stuck on my hair, like right here. And then I have to just kind of pull this apart real softly so it doesn't create more of a knot. And then it comes off like that. So I think it's just too much work when it comes to removing it. Yes, the install was a breeze. I love the install, but the removal, This is too much. But the hair is beautiful. Here's everything that came out of this first section. Okay, I already cut it. So let's take this section here. You see how all of that is thread that's away from my actual braid? That's what I'm going to cut. Snip. And then look, you still have that part that's joined together. Baby, I'm going to save these little pieces for when I do some boho braids. The hair is already pre-sectioned for you. Yeah. Snip. Like, you can still reuse the hair, just not to crochet it through how we did it first. Snip. I'm doing it once. I ain't scared. This is the easiest way to remove them. Which is fine, because sometimes you can't reuse your crochet hair. But this one I snipped too low, so we'll just throw that away. I'm sure I can keep it, but I'm not trying to deal with it separating. There's plenty more hair where they came from, baby. Okay, so that was a lot easier. Yeah, that's exactly how I will be removing these. Woo. I just grab the tops together. I can hold it and just comb through it. Comb it one more time. So here's all of the hair that I actually cut. So I can save it for next time when I decide to do some boho braids. And then same thing for the ones that came out that I did not cut. So just hold on to it and brush it. I don't know how they attach this hair to this thread, but baby, it is not budging at all. Even these where I cut the thread, see, some of them are even close to the ends where the hair is, and it still stayed in place. I don't know what they did, but they did that big one with that one. See, these are the ones that I did not cut. Whatever. So boom and boom. And you think I'm not going to reuse this hair? Girl, bye.